The BMX400 200 system from COMEX is used to grind and classify various materials. This system is mainly used for small-scale product testing. The principle of operation of the system is as follows. The main element of the system is a ball mill. The machine is placed on a platform scale. Fresh material is introduced into the mill using the screw feeder and chemicals through the infusion pump. The sample of material in the loading tank with a capacity of 15 liters can be replenished using the loading opening. The dispensed material can be in the range of 0 to 5 mm. The materials escapes from the ball mill and is pneumatically transported to the ACX50 aerodynamic classifier, where the fine fraction is separated and the coarse fraction returns to grinding chamber by gravity through the rotary lock and screw feeder. The fine fraction goes to the dust collector. The device is equipped with a conical tank where samples can be easily taken. It is possible to connect the outlet from the bottom of the tank with a separate container for the fine fraction. Under the rotary lock of the separator, a connector pipe with muff is installed. This allows online sampling of the coarse fraction. The weight of the coarse fraction returning to the ball mill is measured. The reason is the control of the circulating load. The measurement is carried out sequentially. The vibrating feeder is located on the weighing platform. The heating jacket of the grinding chamber of the BMX400 ball mill is equipped with heaters. This allows high temperatures to be simulated, just as is the case in large-scale processes. The ground material falls under the mill into the diffuser, and mixing with air is transported pneumatically to the aerodynamic classifier. The used quick connectors allow for quick disassembly of piping and easier cleaning of the system. The system is controlled by means of a control cabinet and a computer with user software. The functions of the devices used in system front panel tab during operation are visualized in green part of the control panel and left. During the tests, the user has constantly displayed and saved such parameters as circulation load, feed rate, return rate, and system load. Control cabinet with PLC, inverters and pressure sensors, and with a remote machine access module allowing online inspections by qualified COMEX personnel. The system controls the operating temperature of the mill heating jacket in the range of 30 to 120 degrees Celsius. The aerodynamic classifier is equipped with a pipe supplying secondary dispersible air. The airflow is measured and regulated by means of a throttle. The dosing pump can simultaneously feed two types of additives using separate tubes. Between the overflows, flexible connections were used on the pipelines. System BMX allows you for microscale testing with low amount of raw material, parameter adjustment and log recording, circulating load measurement, dosing of surfactants, temperature control of the heating jacket from 30 to 120 degrees Celsius, grain size adjustment from 3 up to 300 microns, possibility to install the CMA online grain measuring system.